Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to share Steam games with friends. So guys, in order for you to do this, is first thing that you have to do is go to the left corner of the screen over here to the Steam. And then from here guys, go to the settings, and on the settings, you can just go over here to the family. So guys, here on the family, you will have multiple options. So you can have family view, family library sharing. And from here, guys, you should be able to toggle this authorized library sharing on this device. So from here, guys, you can select 5 users to use your account. So guys, from here, as you can see, I have one account from here. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order for you to share it is you must log in this account to this Steam in order for this to work and in order for this to show up. And once you have logged in the account to this Steam, you will be able to authorize them to use your Steam account. And then from here, you can also click manage guys. And here on the manage, you will have an overview on who has access to your account. And you can also reject them if you like. So guys, when we go back to the Steam settings, we can also have a family view. So we can just click on it. And then from here, you can disable certain games. As you can see here, I have an option to choose only games I choose, or I can give them an access to all of the games. And there you go. That's how to share Steam games with a friend. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.